Hello viewers, in today's video we will learn how to solve the error 08 problem. There's a lot of there's many problem happen the 08 issue exactly, but you can see the encoder. Actually many reason due to the happen due to the 08 alarm. So on today's video only for we change the phase rotation for solution of the 08 problem, error 08 problem. You can see the picture in here. So this is the connection of the phase main connections, motor connections, and another side is UVW is the main pole connection, another side is the motor connections, main pole. So you can see that there is in this condition, if when we try to turn on the servo drive, the rotation is changed. So that's why the happened the error 08. So if we turn we just swap the power connections, rotation change the power connections. You can see the picture in here. So we just change the power connection from U to V and V to U. Now we just change the phase rotations from the power supply connections. Now you can see the after giving the signal, the motor is turned on. So you can see the servo motor is going to turn on. This is very simple. If you happen the similar problems, you can see the picture in here. So this is the keypad on the showing the RPM of this 789 800, and the ACW in the digital showing the signal in state to 5. 5 means the running conditions, and the speed is also showing in the display in the keypad. Exactly the many reasons due to the 08 alarm. So one of them for phase rotation change. After phase rotation change, you can see the picture in here clearly. The motor is running well. Now you can see the error solution done. Please subscribe if you are first in our channel. So you can see this is the encoder. When they giving the signal, this is turned on, and when they stop the signal, this is the servo drive is turned off. I'm just giving the full example. I'm just mentioning it. I'm just using in my servo drive is for this bottle conveyor panel. You can see the very precise control. So that's why I'm using the servo drive in here, servo motor in here also. So now the stop mode, you can see when I give the signal, the conveyor is turned on. Yes, now turn on. Servo motor is also turned on. You can see I'm indicating my finger here. Now just turn on. So that's all the things. So if you are first in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for listening to me.